Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many Instagram users have encountered, seeing the message unavailable notification in your DMs. Whether it's puzzling or frustrating, today I'll guide you through what it means and how you can potentially resolve it. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand why you might see message unavailable in your Instagram conversations. 1. The user who sent you the message might have deleted it. 2. If the sender deactivated or deleted the account, you'll also see this notification. And 3. If you're being blocked by the user or if they are blocking you, then 2. The message will appear unavailable. Now that we know the reasons, let's talk about what you can do if you encounter this issue. Step 1 is to refresh your Instagram. Sometimes it's just a glitch, and refreshing your app or logging out and back in can solve it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A poor connection can often cause messages not to load properly. After that, update your app. Outdated versions might have bugs that cause this error. To do that, go to your Play Store or App Store, then download the Instagram application or update it. Step 4. If you suspect you've been blocked, try reaching the person through another medium to confirm. Remember, respect their privacy and decision if they choose to block you. And finally, if none of these steps work, the last thing you can do is contact Instagram support for help. Just go to your profile on the menu, then select settings. Scroll down until you find help and choose report a problem. It's essential to be patient as some issues might take time to resolve. While you wait, keep enjoying the other feature Instagram has to offer. That wraps up our tutorial on what to do if you see a message unavailable notification on Instagram. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us.